students, welcome to my channel Maths Academy Online. So in the continuation of this probability chapter of R.S. Agrawal, I am now ready here with another video for the pack of cards. I have seen that this is a problematic area of most of the students, like they find it difficult to interpret the cards, like when the question of cards come in the probability topic. So let me decipher it for you and make it simpler. So let's start. So what is a pack of cards? You must have played in your childhood or you must be playing now. Or pack of cards is basically set of 52 cards. If there are 53 cards or 54 cards, that means that is a joker. Joker is the extra card given in case one of your card is lost, but this is for the playing purpose only. This is not for the mathematical purpose. So some of the students confuse in this thing that ma'am, that there are 53 cards when I bought the pack of cards. So this is not the case. So that is just for the playing purpose, and right now we are not playing, we are doing serious. Pack of card means 52 cards. So 52 cards only. Now let us decipher more. 52 cards have 4 types. What are the types? Basically, these types are called suits. Now, whenever you open a pack of cards, you must be seeing that there are some red cards and some black cards. There is no other color used, either red or black. So, let us start with this first of all. So, I am taking red cards and black cards first of all. Now, to decipher more, the red are 26 in color and the black are also 26 in color. Okay, so there are 26 red cards and there are 26 black cards, half, right? So now let's come to the red side. So red suits are 2, heart and diamond. Heart and diamond, these are the 2 suits related to red cards. So the shape is like this, a heart, and diamond shape is like this. You can say it like a brick or diamond shape. So these are both 13 each. There are 13 heart cards and there are 13 diamond cards. Okay. So total pack of card was what? Total pack of card was 52. Out of that 26 are red, 26 are black, and now there are 13 each. Now, but we need to understand what are the suits. These are called suits. The types of cards are called suits. Heart, diamond, club and spade. These all are 13 each, and the 4 all together are called suits. These are the 4 suits of the pack of cards. So these 2 always come in black color and these 2 always come in red color. So this is the first differentiation, and this is the first categorization of the pack of cards. Now let's move ahead. So in the hearts there is one ace. Ace means numerically 1, but there is written always A. यक्का जिसको बोलते हैं, A. Then comes the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The count comes like this, and there comes J, Q and K. Jack, which stands for the numeric number 11. Then Queen stands for the numeric number 12. And King stands for the numeric number 13. So there are Ace, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digit cards, number cards, and now face cards. Why face cards? Because यहाँ पे you can see picture of Jack, a Queen and a King. So these are the very important cards. If you play cards, you must be knowing the importance of, while playing you should be having these cards. So that's a playway method. But now if I talk about probability chapter, you should be clear with what kind of card is this. First of all, if I get a 5 number card, one thing should be in my mind. 5 is a card, red card of heart, then 5 is a number card. So I should be clear with the basic fundamentals of the probability chapter. Now diamond. Similarly, diamond goes like this. I won't write it again and again, but it's very understood. Ace, then 2, 3, 4, so on till jack, queen and king. Okay. Similarly, here for the club cards, ace, ace, then 2, 3, so on till 10, J, Q, K, 2, 3, 4 till 10, then J, Q, K. So, this is how the pack of cards work, and then you start playing with the things. Now, decipher one more thing. So, the questions, what kind of questions can come? Question number 1, find the probability of getting black card. So, that means the event is black card. Focus, how many black cards are there? 26 black cards are there. So, what will be the answer? The answer will be what? Favorable outcomes will be now 26 over total outcomes is always 52. So, answer will be after cutting 1 by 2. Okay. So, the categorization is now coming. Categorization is very important in the probability chapter. First of all, black cards, obviously half probability. Then red cards, same answer will be there because 26 is the favorable outcomes and then 52 is the total outcomes, and the answer will be after cutting 1 by 2. Now, if I ask you, find the probability of getting number cards. So, what are number cards? Numbers starting from 1 till 10 are called number cards. 1 till 10. So, there are 10 number cards of heart, there are 10 number cards of diamond and 3 face cards. So, that means in every suit I have 10 number cards and I have 3 face cards. That means how many suits are there? There are 4 suits. So, total number cards कितने हो गए? एक में 10 है तो 4 में क्या हो गए? 40. टोटल फेस कार्ड्स कितने हो गए? अगर हमारे पास 3 फेस कार्ड्स हर किसी में है, देयर आर 4 सूट्स, 4 3s are 12. प्लस कर लो 52 आ गए. ओके, यानी टोटल कार्ड्स. सो बेसिकली दिस इज द डिविजन ऑफ द पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर. अगर मैंने पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स को रेड और ब्लैक में डिवाइड करना हो तो आई विल थिंक लाइक दिस कि देयर आर 26 रेड कार्ड्स एंड देयर आर 26 ब्लैक कार्ड्स. अगर मेरा क्वेश्चन आए सूट्स रिलेटेड, फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग डायमंड सूट. अब मुझे पता है हर सूट में 13 होते हैं, 13 4s are 52. तो वो क्या हो गया? सूट्स में डिवीजन हो गया. तो मेरी प्रोबेबिलिटी का आंसर क्या आएगा? 13 over 52, 1 by 4. अगर मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग वन नंबर कार्ड, नंबर कार्ड मेरे टोटल कितने हैं? 40. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 40 over 52. ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, दैट इज अ मस्ट. पर आंसर निकालना बहुत ईजी हो जाता है इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्राइटेरिया. सो टोटल नंबर कार्ड्स इज 40, टोटल फेस कार्ड्स इज 12, तो टोटल इज 52. सो इसमें और किस तरह के डिस्टिंक्शंस हो सकती है? यू कैन बी आस्क्ड लाइक फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ डिजिट 3. ओके, डिजिट कार्ड 3. अब 3 तो सब में है, 3 तो सब में ही है, तो फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ डिजिट कार्ड 3. तो टोटल 3 कितने हुए पूरे पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स में? 4. तो आंसर विल बी 4 over 52 बिकॉज उसमें कुछ और स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया हुआ. उन्होंने पूछा फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग डिजिट कार्ड और नंबर कार्ड 3. सपोज मैं इसमें स्पेसिफाई कर देती हूँ, फाइंड द नंबर कार्ड 3 विच शुड बी ब्लैक. अब ब्लैक वाले 3 नंबर तो 2 ही होते हैं मेरे पास, सो 2 over 52 बिकॉज टोटल आउटकम्स इज ऑलवेज 52. सो 2 over 52. वाई 2? बिकॉज ब्लैक 3 तो 2 ही होते हैं. अगर कर दूं फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ 3 नंबर कार्ड ओनली फ्रॉम द स्पेड सूट, यानी मैंने बिल्कुल स्पेसिफाई कर दिया कि मुझे 3 नंबर कार्ड चाहिए बट स्पेड सूट का ही चाहिए, स्पेड का. दैट मीन्स वो तो एक ही ऑप्शन है पूरी की पूरी पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स में. सो ओनली ऑप्शन इज 1, सो आंसर विल बी 1 over 52. So this is how we do variety of sums from this pack of cards, and this is a very easy topic if you comprehend this chart. If you don't understand this chart and I will suggest you just go through the pack of cards once. So here I will suggest you to see once the pack of cards and understand the 4 suits, the digit cards and the face cards. This is very important to understand to decipher all kind of sums in this chapter related to pack of cards. So I hope you have liked this video. Press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Also refer to your friends and other people who are preparing for these entrance exams. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching my channel.